Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane and this is Altcoin Disrupt. Today we'll take a look at Near Protocol. We've got some news. Near Protocol provides development grant to InsurAce, InsurAce.io. Now additionally, Near raises $150 million from major crypto investment firm, and this was confirmed around the 13th of January this year. We'll also go through a price analysis and price prediction for Near Protocol. Currently, the token price is $10.25, and within the last 3 months, it's actually been doing remarkably well. Despite the fact that the crypto market is going through some difficult times right now, Near Protocol has been doing really well. Not to mention, during the middle of January this year, Near Protocol was doing exceptionally well at $20 plus per coin. The price of Near Protocol right now is half that price, which means that the market cap is also half, which means that the market cap used to be around 13 billion, and the market cap currently sits at 6.5 billion, which is still extremely good. And 6.5 billion is still extremely good. That is not an understatement. The supply is 1 billion, circulating supply is 635 million. But even more noticeable, when you take a look at Near Protocol for the last 3 months, you'll start to realize that the biggest downtime for Near Protocol was towards the end of December last year. Well, to be honest, it was the latter parts of November and throughout December as well. The price started to tick up to around $15, $16, even as high as $17 until it hit $20. So let's jump into the news. InsurAce.io has announced that its proposal for a Near Protocol development grant is now being granted, and that its development on Near shall take place very soon. So InsurAce.io is constantly on the search for new ecosystems and technologies. They have stated that new procedures and protocol will be implemented ever since the initial incorporation. Nevertheless, this is a significant step towards achieving that goal, and the team is therefore excited to be developing their products on Near Protocol as previously mentioned. Now, some of the key information in this, as we dive into some more details, both Near and InsurAce.io envision a society in which sovereignty of their money, data, and instruments needed to create innovative concepts and ideas. Now, what exactly is Near? That's an important question to get into, and we'll go for a quick summary. Near is a sharded layer 1 proof-of-stake blockchain, which is easy to use. You just think about that for a moment. What more do you need for a cryptocurrency and for a blockchain? Safety and security. Obviously, we're dealing with money right here. For the longest time, the most difficult thing for crypto to go mainstream is that it's not easy to use for most individuals. Nevertheless, learn about crypto, something that they might not even understand. Now, moreover, Near Protocol is built on both the EVM and Rust. And InsurAce team is thrilled that their funding let them develop on both networks. Now, you can learn more about Near Protocol from a developer's point of view from a GitHub article on Near. If you visit Near on GitHub, you can get all the developers' information that you need. Now, the Near grant program has been in operation for a year. The ecosystem revealed over $250 million in investment in several DeFi initiatives, which they believe would greatly benefit their system and community. They're pleased to be working to develop the Near Protocol because they believe it can help millions of people to redefine commerce, creativity, and community for much more inclusivity future. Now, additional details and regular updates are expected throughout 2022. Now, before we jump to the next article, what exactly is InsurAce or InsurAce? It's a decentralized multi-chain insurance protocol that is designed to strengthen the DeFi community risk protection infrastructure. I'm reading this word for word, I tell you. InsurAce.io therefore offers portfolio-based insurance products with optimizing price models to significantly reduce costs, in addition to launching investment functions that contain flexible underwriting, minting, mining programs to generate long-term returns for participants. Finally, they have also provided a coverage for various cross-chain decentralized financial projects, so as the benefits for the entire ecosystem. So InsurAce.io was funded less than a year ago with overall objective of providing insurance solution and protection against numerous potential exploitation in the DeFi industry. Near raises $150 million from major crypto investment firm. Near latest raise brings some of the space's highest profile investors into the fold as the network gears up for a major DeFi push. Now, like I said, this news was published around the 13th of January, which means that it was probably leaked even earlier on, which would make a lot of sense why in around the 13th and around the 16th of January, that same time, it was doing exceptionally well. It went from a price of $13 to $20 per coin, and it did this in a matter of less than a week. So the Near Foundation announced a closed off $150 million funding round. Suzu's 3-hour capital led the private token sale with participation from major crypto-focused funding, Mechanism Capital, Dragonfly Capital, Z Prime and Amber Group, and amongst others. Now, as for the valuation of the Near token, that was not disclosed at the time, aside from having been priced at one of the month's time. Now, as for the ecosystem, the DeFi ecosystem that is, the fundraising is the latest ploy for a remarkably capitalized ecosystem attempting to position itself for an influx of users and DeFi products. In October, Near's Aurora, which enables developers to fork Ethereum-based contracts and deployed Solidity code on the chain, raised $12 million. Additionally, Near announced a $800 million ecosystem fund later in the month, with $350 million devoted to DeFi grant and liquidity mining. So this was quite significant, and you can obviously get some more information on that $800 million ecosystem fund. You can get that information on CoinDesk. Actually, they've got a really helpful article. So what do I expect from Near Protocol this year? Well, for sure, I expect this coin to get back to around $15 per coin, because realistically, that's its realistic price. And $20 and $25 is quite optimistic and is quite far reached throughout this year, especially in Q2 of this year leading up to summer. So thank you for watching this video until the end. Subscribe to see more. Leave a comment, leave a like. Let's have a discussion, and I will see you in my next video.